subscribe to the channel.
Solar System. Earth. The Earth is a huge ball of rocks spinning in space. It is probably the only planet which has water. Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. It is a little bigger than our Moon. Venus. Venus is so bright it is often mistaken for a UFO, an unidentified flying object. Its surface is hidden by thick white clouds. Jupiter. Jupiter is mostly gas with a tiny rocky core. It has 16 moons. Saturn. Saturn is made of mainly gas and has rings of dust and ice circling around it. It has 18 moons. Mars. Mars is sometimes called red planet because it is made of red rocks. Uranus. Uranus is circled by rings of dust. Neptune. Neptune sometimes travels beyond Pluto and becomes the farthest planet from the Sun. The asteroids. Asteroids are thousands of rocks which go around the Sun between Mars and Jupiter. Pluto. Pluto was first sighted in 1930. Scientists now consider it to be a dwarf planet. The Sun. Sun is a gigantic ball of burning gases. Its surface temperature is 5500 centigrade. Moon. A moon is a ball of rock that circles a planet. Most of the planets in our solar system have moons.
Thanks for watching.